What's up, guys? Welcome to your JavaScript series brought to you by Code to Code CTC. In case you skipped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode 5, probably, we are gonna be looking at mass operators and assignment operators. Now, before we begin that, I want to quickly show you guys something that is very important in the world of programming, and that is linking. In our last tutorial, I don't know whether I treated things like the external and the internal way of linking JavaScript file to a HTML, but I want to hammer on that now. So I'll quickly clear this off. Now we can keep writing our JavaScript here on and on, but that is not the best practice. The best way to write JavaScript code and link it to your HTML file to make up a good website is to probably do what we call external linking, and that is making a different JavaScript file and linking it to a HTML file. It makes you have a neat code. Your codes are very neat, and it will not be like you jam pack both HTML, CSS and JavaScript all in one file. No, that's not the best way. It will not be readable. So the best way is to link it to an external source file. So that's what we'll be doing now. So I'll quickly remove this and I will show you what I'm talking about. So what you need to do is to click on your folder and create a new file inside the folder where you are working on. I'm talking about your workspace now. So we are going to save this inside the len JavaScript. We're going to name it as main.jx. Understand? And the extension for JavaScript is .js. Please don't forget, just like we have index.html, we have main.js. So once the web browser sees it, it recognizes it as a JavaScript file. So we now have a free file, an empty file where we can write our JavaScript code. But how do we link it to our HTML file? So just go ahead and type this and quickly clear this, and we now have here as src means source. So we're trying to link it to the source where our main.js file is located. So we just type main.js since it's inside the same folder. But supposing it's in a subfolder, you have to trace it to that subfolder by using slash. Supposing inside the folder called source, you type it source then slash the file. I guess you understand what I'm talking about here. The best practice is good to keep everything in one folder. So I just link it directly main.js. So whatever we do here now will affect this. But remember, it's our HTML that is widely open inside our web browser. You understand? It will still work very fine. Alright, what we'll be doing here now, since we have just a main JavaScript file, is to begin our mass operators. So the first thing I want to introduce you to, which you already know, is supposing we have variable x is equals to 10 plus 5. I want to document the right x. So once you save this and refresh, you see you're having 15. You understand? And another one is minus. So these are mass operators. It will also work very fine. It will give you 5. Another one is division. And you save this and refresh. You have 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? Okay. Another one is multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 5, 50. Okay. I know you are conversant with all these things, but there's just one thing I don't know, which is the percentage sign. And what do you think this does? It gives the remainder. So let's save this and refresh. So it gives 0. Why? Because 10 divided by 5 has no remainder. You understand? But supposing here is 11 and you save this and come back here and refresh, you see it's 1. You understand? The percentage sign is not called percentage instead of programming, it's called modulus. You call it the modulus sign. So what the modulus does is to give the remainder between two numbers, you understand? So these are just the simple basic math operators you know. And the next type of operators are the assignment operators. What are the assignment operators? Okay, I'm gonna clear this now and say s is equals to 10. You understand? And the first assignment operator is the increment operator. Already we have given the value 10 to x. So you can say x plus plus. That means you are like trying to say, okay, increase it by 1. You understand? So when you come back here and refresh, what do you see? 11. Variable x is equals to 10. So s plus plus is equals to plus 1. So just add 1 to 10. You have plus 1, you understand? So it's called increment operator. So another one, you can also have minus, this is decrement. So once you refresh, it's equal to 10, you understand? So 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Okay, probably another operator is something like, it's not this anyway, but you can have plus is equal to 3, understand? And what do you think this will give us? You are like, okay, adding 3 to the variable x, 10. So 10 plus 3 is equals to what? 13. So let's check. You are having 13, you understand? You can also remove this. Let's change it to minus, and what do you have? 7. So this type of operator is called subtraction assignment, and when you have plus here, it is called addition assignment. You understand? Okay, the division, that is called division assignment. So if you save this now and you refresh, you have a value. You understand? So it will divide it by 3. Multiplication assignment, 10 multiplied by 3, which is also 30. The modulus assignment, which is the percentage sign, so x percentage equal to 3, understand? So if you say this now and you refresh, you have 1, which is 10 divided by 3, and the remainder is equals to 1, you understand? So I just ran through the basic assignment operators that we have and the mass operators that we have. So they are all examples of operators, but there's just one that did not mention, which are the relational operators. We won't be needing that now because we are not in the loops segment yet. We will treat all of them when we are dealing with the for loop statement, the do while loop statement, the if statement, understand? So we'll treat that later. You understand all of them, and even all these examples I've given you, especially concerning the assignment operators, you won't be needing that very much here now, but you understand all of them when we are now dealing with the conditional logic. And okay, I think I've covered much for here. So see you guys in the next episode, where we'll be dealing with function and parameters. Please, if you've really learned something from this video, I want to click on the like button below and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.